Okay, so first let me record our Google Meet. And then let me share my screen. Sharing. Okay, so fourth week, this is the HTML. HTML. Yes. By the way, do you have any question regarding our exam? Ah, yeah. Do you have any question? Yes. What is your suggestion? Pardon, can you repeat? Ah, fa follow it. So, okay. If that's you want, it's okay. Um, in your exam, do you have any question regarding your exam? Okay, so I'm looking at your exam right now in our Google Meet, and you already submitted. It's okay, good. Miss Izua and Miss King. Okay, very good. And then the HTML. Okay, good. Then next, our topic for today. If you want, you can follow me. You can open your application. By the way, our topic last week supposedly is the HTML, and then I posted the references. Is one. We have two references, but basically I'm using only one reference. But if you want, you can also read the other reference. Okay, so this is supposedly our topic last week. Okay. Mhm. Maybe I'll be using magnifier. Okay, good. Okay, so this is our um topic, the HTML. So HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup Language, and take note, this is not a programming language, and this is a markup language, which is the most widely used language on the web to develop a web page. So what is an example of a web page? So this is an example of a web page. Okay, this one, and then later on you will be creating your own web page. Okay, so HTML was created by Berners-Lee in late 1991. Uh, you can read about the history of the HTML, but what is important to me is the the structure of your HTML. Okay, so HTML is a must for students and working professionals to become a great software engineer, especially when they are working in web development domain. I list down some of the key advantages of learning the HTML. Um, Number one, create a website, and then next, become a web designer, and then next, you will understand a web and other languages. So this is an example of the HTML tag. Okay, so can you open your notepad? Yeah, notepad. Okay, I'm using notepad right now. There, done. Did you open your notepad already? Okay, very good. We have parts of the HTML. So we have the HTML, we have the header, and then we have the body. So this is the ano, HTML head title, and then we have the body. So we have one, two, three, four parts. So in your notepad, you just type this one, or you can just copy or paste, or if you want, you can type. Did you open this one? This reference, this website? Uh, okay, so if in case that you did not open this site, you can just put in your notepad HTML. Okay, then followed by title. HTML head title, yeah, and then the name of your, maybe the title of your web page is um okay, my web page, then title, then the end tag for the head. So this is the title, then we have the end tag, we have the head, and then next to the head we have the body slash body. Oop. And then the end tag for the HTML. Okay. So we have the HTML tag, and then we have the end tag by using the slash. We have the head tag, head, and then head tag slash, and then we have the title, my web page, and then slash, and then we have the body, and then we have the end tag body. Just tell me if you're done. You're done. Okay, good. Then if you are done, just put here. Okay, so before we put something in here, let's go back to our reference and then see our structure. Where is our structure? So we'll be using, it's either the header or the paragraph. By the way, let's jump to ano ba? What is that? Elements, attribute, elements. Okay, so these are the elements. So what is an element? HTML element. Element is defined by a string tag. This is an example of the tag. Okay? If the element contains other content, it needs with a closing tag. This is the closing tag or the end tag, where the element's name is preceded by a forward slash as shown below in few tags. So for the end tag, we'll be using the closing, the forward slash. This is the forward slash. And then the content. Okay? The content. Now, let's go now to our notepad. Okay? And then see the, let's put a p tag, and then for example welcome, and then your name, for example Jofer Reyes. Oop, I forgot the end tag p. Okay, just put inside the body, you have the p tag, and then put the content excuse me, the content welcome Jofer Reyes, your name. You can change it with your name, and then don't forget to put the end tag, and then tell me if you are done. Okay, very good. So same with the JavaScript. Let's try to save. So click File and then click Save. Okay. Um, Let me put it in my desktop. Okay. So it's up to you if you want to put that in other directory. But for me, I'm putting that in my desktop. And then for example, the file name is uh, web page. Don't forget to put HTML, web page.html, and here save as all. Are you following? Web page.html. Okay, then the type should be all files. Saan ka? Okay, done. And then if you're done, click save. And then let me minimize this um, window, and then in my desktop, let me take a look at my desktop. Where's my desktop? Oop, maybe my computer is my computer. My computer, no. Okay, so document and then desktop. Desktop, and then let's locate our web page. So the name of our web page is, yeah, web page, this one. Okay, just double click to open. So this will be the output, this one. Done. Not yet. Did you open your web page already in your double click, double click. So for example here, locate the file. Here is your logo is like this. Is this your logo? Same. This one, Google Chrome. No. What browser are you using? Google Chrome. Okay. So if in case that you cannot see this, just right click. Okay. Right click and then open with Google Chrome. Okay. Then tell me if you're done. Done. So can you see your name? Welcome and then your name like this. Okay, very good. So and then if you want to open, so that is this is how you will open your web page. And then if you want to open that in your notepad again, so if in case that you close, for example, this is my notepad, but I accidentally or I closed this window. Okay, so I don't have any notepad. And then if you want to open it again, just right click here and then open with notepad. Okay, so that it will open your file in a notepad. There you go. So okay, so very good. What is the p tag? The p tag stands for the paragraph. Yep. So in our reference here, who is the okay, so anyway, this is a the paragraph tag, and then this is the heading tag, or header, or heading, yeah, heading tag. So for the heading tag I will be using h1. Okay, so let's go now to our notepad and then let's put h1. Welcome, yes, good afternoon. Yeah. Then end tag h1. Okay, so there. So welcome Joffrey's paragraph tag. So this is a paragraph tag, and then next line we have the h1 good afternoon, and then end tag h1, and then click file, then save. Then after saving, go to your directory, and you can see again your file. Then just right click and then open with Google Chrome. Then in your web page you can see welcome Jofarias, and then we have good afternoon. Did you open your file already in your browser? Pardon? Uh, Maybe you forgot to save your file. Save, and then after saving that, uh, you have to go to your file again here, then right click, then open with Google Chrome. So this should be the output. Okay, good. So you can see in your file, in your web page. Good. So this is heading 1, or header, or heading. you can search for the other references if you want, h1 tags in HTML. Okay, so we can open this reference, w3schools.com. Don't worry, this is already posted in our Google Classroom, or if you want, you can search that in the internet. So H1 stands for heading tag. We have H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so if we try to H1, I mean H2. So in our notepad, rather than using H1, by the way, I will just copy this one, copy, and then go to the next line, paste, go to the next line until there. So H1, H2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6. Oh, let me copy the last one so that we can see the difference. 6, H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, there. So we have the first line, welcome, and then your name, and then we have the 6 heading, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6, and then we have good afternoon. The content is good afternoon. Okay, then if you are done, same, you click the file and then save, and then open it again in your browser, and then tell me if you are done. Yeah, only 6. Okay, tell me if you are done. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, so click file, save, and then same process. You go to your directory and then right click, open with Google Chrome, and then this will be the output. So you welcome, then your name. If you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So heading 1 or H1, this one, okay. So H1 is big fonts, okay, big fonts with bold, and then H2 is smaller, and then getting smaller, then getting smaller. So that is the difference between this one, H1, H2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so there. um, and next is I want to change color. Okay, these are the elements. Okay, those are the elements, and then don't forget that in every elements we have their attributes. Okay, for example, let's go now to our reference tutorials.com. We have elements, and then we have the attributes. Take note, the elements, we have the P, paragraph, and then the heading tag. So we only use this one, and also the break, BR. You can use the break line so that it will go to the next line. Attributes. Let's talk about attributes. So we have seen few HTML tags in their usage, like heading tag, the paragraph tag, and other tags. We use them so far in the simplest form, but most of the HTML tags can also have attributes. Example of an attribute is the name. You can put name, you can put the value, you can change the color if you want, you can change the font size if you want. Those are the attributes. Example, alignment. Okay, for the this is the an example of an attribute. We have the element tag p, and then we have the attribute align. So this is the attribute. Okay, so let's go now to our note. Okay, there, welcome Joffrey Reyes. Then okay, so let's try to copy. Then there, copy, paste it 3 times there, and then we put again based from our elements. I mean, in our reference we have attribute. We will be using align attribute, this one. So you can align the text or the content in left or center or right. So here you can put align align left. Oops. Don't forget to put the double quote, and then just copy this one there, left, center, and right. Okay, so then if you are done, click file, then save there. Then tell me if you are done. Yep. Wait class. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, you're done. Okay, so same procedure. After saving, go to your directory, and then right click your file, and then open with uh, Google Chrome. And then tell me if you're done. Yes. uh, okay, let me save my file first, and then go to my directory, and then right click the file, open with Google Chrome. Okay, so this is the output. So let me close my magnifier so that you can see it as a whole page. So there, so we have left, center, and then we have the right. This one, the first. Okay, so yeah, this left, so this is the first. Oops, sorry. There, then we have the center, and then we have the right. That is for the alignment, align at attribute. Okay, and then we have other attributes for those elements. Okay, so yeah, that's correct. This is supposedly the output, left, center, and right. What else? Okay, so for example, if you want to change the color, if you want to change the color of your font, so you can use the color attribute, color. Okay. Um, okay, so let me try it in my web page first. Okay, so let me try it. P align left, then for example, color is equal to green. Okay, so let me check. Wait, let me check first. No, font color. No. Font color is not an attribute. This is an element. Okay, so anyway, if you want to change the color of your font, eh, we have a lot of way or method for changing the color of your font. For me, for the meantime I'm using the font tag. So this is a tag font and then the color, for example, green. Okay, so let me put a double quote green there. Let me try it first. Hopefully this will work. File save. Then okay, good. How about blue? Blue. Save. I'm using refresh. So if in case that your web page is open already and then uh, if there's changes in your code, you just click the refresh there. So this is the color. So this is our, if you want to change the color, you can use this tag. We have font color, so you can try it in your web page. Just put font color and then the color, and then don't forget the end tag font. then try it, and then if you're done, click save. Yes, font, font color. No, no, here. The font is a tag that is not an attribute. So you put this one font with an element. I mean, font element, and then we have the attribute color. Okay. Um, okay, so font, and then the attribute color, and then the value. This is the value of our attribute color. And then if you are done, save your file, and then go to your directory, then open your file, right click, then open with Google Chrome, or if in case that your file is already open in a browser, just refresh your web page. Then tell me if you are done. The color, did the color of your text change into what color did you use? Green. So in your web page, the color is green. Mine is I'm using blue. Mm, huh? Green, but yeah. Um, anyway, you can use also green if you want. So any color if you want, as long as in your web page it changes. Okay. Um, Additional information. Do you know that your name has a corresponding color? So for example, in my name, Jofer. Do you know that my name, I can put my name as the value of the attribute color, and then let's see what will be the color of my name. Yeah. So you can put your name and then refresh. Oh, the color of my name is blue. Yeah. How about yours? You can change the value of your color. You can change that in your name, and then you can see uh, what what color of your name. You can try it if you want. Coming out. Maybe the color is white, because if you know, maybe the color is white because if you notice the background is white, and probably the color of your name is white. Okay, so if you want to see that, you can change the background color. Okay, what if I want the color of my the web page is what? Is if my mm, yeah, so let's try. So if you want to change the background color, you can use BG color, uh, an element attribute of the body element BG color, and then you can say if you want to see it, put it in a black. Okay, so body BG color black. File save. Then let's see. Done. Okay. And then if you're done, save your file. Just click file, then click save, and then open your browser. then click refresh if your yeah. Right. There, so the background color is black and I have my text here. Now, is your background black already? Ah, this one? This one. Okay. Then let me know if you're done. Is this recording? Let me check, wait. Yeah, start. Oh, wait. What what is the color of your background supposedly? Black. But when you open, yes, yeah. But when you open your file in your browser, what is the color of your background? Red? Wait, are you saying that in your code here in your code the color of your background is black, right? Yes, but in your browser you are telling me that the background is red. Uh, is that what is the color of your name? I don't know. Wait, what is the color of your background when you it yeah, wait. Let Can you share your screen so that I can see it? Let me stop presenting. Okay, so you may present now. Can let me see. Yes. So the color of your background is black. And then can you open your browser? It's red. So what happened? Ano? Click refresh or F5. F5 in your keyboard, press F5. There you go. So the background color is black. You cannot see your text because the default color of your text is black. Mm. So that's why. Can you wait? Yeah. So black, but the no. You have to check the spelling. Yeah, that one. So try to save it again. Okay, and then refresh. Go to your browser and then refresh. Okay, so there you go. Um, like I said, the default color of your font is black, so that's why you cannot see the other text. Can you press Control? A in your keyboard. Control A. There. So um, you cannot see the other text because they have the same color with the background than your text. Okay, so you can change it. Okay, so I have a last because you will be creating your somewhat like a bio data or resume or something about yourself in a web page. So uh, we will be putting images. So this will be our last topic for today. I want you to put some image. So in order for you to put some image in your web page, so let me share my screen. Okay. Okay. So can you see my screen? Can you see my screen now? Okay. Next is um, images. How to put images in your web page. So this will be our last topic for today. So images are very important to beautify as well as to depict many complex concepts in a simple way on your web page. So you can insert any image in your page by using the EMG tag and then followed by the source. So we have the syntax here, image source, then the URL and so on. So for example there. So let's put it in our web page. So let me open my notepad here, there. Uh, so in my notepad, I want to put my picture. Okay, your picture. Can wait. Let me open my Facebook. Okay. Ah, yeah. Because if you will search my name in the internet, in the Google, do I have an image here? No, this is me. Yeah, this is me. Okay, so for example, you can what? Program head Dean Lorma. What? I Google it. My name. I Google it and then it says here program head Dean Lorma edu. Wow. Sorry, it's uncorrected. I'm not a dean. I'm not a program head. I'm just only instructor. No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not a program head or dean. I'm just a normal faculty. And anyway, okay. So for example, here, I want to put this picture. Okay, because it is already in the Google. Okay. Just right click. Wait, wait. Before that. Sorry. Before that, go to our notepad here, and then here we will use it says here EMG source double quote if you want to put your picture maybe there, yeah. Okay, so image source and then the URL. Where do you get your URL? Here, right click, copy copy link address, image address. So copy image address if you have a picture in the internet or maybe in your Facebook if you want. So let's try paste. It's too long, don't worry, it's okay. Hope no, this is not the image address. It should be wait. Copy link address, copy link address. No, it's not. No. Eh. Okay. Mm. Maybe I'll be saving na lang for the meantime. I will be saving this one. Or if you have a picture in your computer unit, you can use that. So I'll be saving that in the here. Maybe the name is Jofer Reyes JPEG. Save. So I saved my file. Okay, so I saved my file in my desktop. In my desktop, where's my picture? Jofer Reyes. What? Where's my picture? Did I save it in my desktop? Where is? Where are you? Joe. What? Wait. Let's go to my here. Right click. Save image as. Download. Sorry, it should be in the desktop. I click desktop and then put Jofer Reyes. Then save. Then let me locate that here. Desktop. Then Jofer. Yeah, this one. Okay, so what is important here is that uh, right click your picture properties. It says they are JPG, JPG, JPG. This is very important because we have a lot of file type for the image. So for example, in my image, the file type is JPG. So, and then the file name is Jofer Reyes. So in my notepad, image source, then I put Jofer Reyes dot JPG. Okay, save. Let me try it first before you continue. Uh, where's the there? And then let me open. Then refresh. Where's my picture? Where's my picture? Image source joforeyes.jpg or JPEG. JPEG. Probably JPEG. Joforeyes.jpg. Refresh. Maybe I put it in white. White. Save. Refresh. Where's my picture? Where's my picture? No, no. Let me close. No, I don't have any picture. Let me check my code. Image. I forgot to put the equal sign. Sorry, wrong syntax. Save. No, or maybe that is joforeyes.jpg, not JPEG. There. Okay. Again, if you can see in my computer unit, the location. So see to it that the location of your web page file, this is my web page file, and your picture is in the same location. Okay, it should be in the same location, because if in case that your picture, for example here, is not in the same picture, let me put that in other directory, for example pictures. Okay. So take note na my picture is in the pictures directory, and then my web page file is in the desktop. It's in a different directory. They have a different directory. Then if you run your program, your web page, if you open it in the browser again, so there's a you cannot see your picture. So see to it that your picture, for example, should be in the same directory. Okay, so I have here my web page, and then same directory, same folder, I have my image. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is the, yes, any picture will do. Like I said, let me put another image. Let me put another image. So here, the file, yes. No, you should be putting your picture. Okay, you should be in your Facebook. You can download your picture. You open your Facebook and then download your picture. Okay, so for example here, the file type. Let me use my magnifier. Again, if you want to see the file type, just right click your image properties. This is very important, JPEG. The file type, for example, in this image, the file type is JPG. Okay, and then there are a lot of file type. Another example, do we have this one? Okay, so for example, this one, sure. This one, the file type of this picture is PNG. So they have different types. The A while ago, my picture, the file type is JPG, but here, the file type is PNG. Or can I download na lang? Let me open or download some images in my, yeah, cartoon that PNG. Yeah. uh, what is um, advantage of the PNG file, so that you can know what's the PNG, what's actually a PNG look like. For example, this one, Mickey Mouse. Let me save that in my, take note, the web page, the location of your web page should be the same with your images. So in my situation, my web page is in the desktop. Okay, so I'll be saving the picture in my desktop, because in my desktop I have here the web page or the HTML file. So let me rename cartoon. Okay, cartoon, and then the type is PNG. Save. Okay, file name is cartoon, and then save as PNG. Save. Later on, you will be putting some image in your web page. So here, EMG source is equal to double quote, and then the name, cartoon.png. Okay, so my picture is JPEG, and then the cartoon is PNG. So, and then let me change the background, maybe yellow. Okay, file, save, and then go to my directory, or let me refresh. Yeah. What is the difference? This is a JPEG. If you can see, the background didn't match the background of my web page. But how about Mickey Mouse? This is Mickey Mouse. The file type of this picture is PNG. So yeah, so this is the difference. Okay. Okay. First, what I want you to do is go to your Google Chrome and then download some images. You can download PNG file. You can download also JPG file. Okay. Download three pictures. Example. Download three pictures, and then after downloading it, save that in the same directory, and then put this one. Okay. Okay, so download three images, and then go to your Google Chrome, download three images. Okay, and then put that in your code, then try to run your web page, and then let me know if you're done. Yes, I want you to experience it right now.
Basta, ta, muka maupo na.
Yes.
Since it is not my picture that I'm going, can I see Jesus Bible?
Sorry, sorry. Here you go.
Ta, since it's not my picture that I'm going to put on.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, I should put my name also, just like it is here.
Yeah, it's okay. But you have to see to it that the file type is correct.
Okay. Ta, but your name is in small letter. Does that put mine in small letter also?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Hindi kasi yung pan niya, yung mouthpiece niya, yung microphone niya, pag nasa baba, tignan mo naman, pati naman itong ikot. Kita yung papel. Okay, so let me know if you're done.
Ta,
Done?
no, sir.
Okay.
So
Okay.
where will I go? Browse data.
Pardon?
Where will I get the pictures from the browser?
Okay, so maybe you have to check. Okay, so um, first, if you download some images, okay, so download, save images, image as, and then um, save the picture. So for example, in my computer unit, in my computer unit, I have the, where is it? Web page. What's my web page? Mm-hmm. Wait. So in my desktop, so like I said, in my desktop I have my web page file, and then same directory, desktop. Okay, same directory, desktop. Put also the images. So I have here Joffrey Reyes and where's the Mickey Mouse? Where's Mickey Mouse? Is it in the same directory? There. Okay. Uh, your web page, like I said, your web page and your picture should be in the same directory. Did your
Okay.
pictures and your web page file is in the same directory?
That where I saved my web page, that's where it should be also.
Oh wait, sorry. I Yes. Did your web page and your pictures should be in the same directory? Is it in the same directory? Picture? But yes, okay. Maybe you put that in other directory. Um, okay, so for example, I will be putting another picture. This one. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so right click, save image as. I'll be putting that in my desktop. Okay, so to it that your web page, okay, should be the same, the directory of your images. So, by the way, where did you put your web page? What direct desktop also? Ah, programming. Okay. If that's so, so let me. Yes. A video. Yes. Video on the web. You will be downloading your video on the web. Ah, pictures in the web. Ah, okay. Okay. Computer programming. This one. Okay. For example, here in your desktop, do you have your computer programming folder? Okay. So you put your uh, this activity. For example, this one web page. You put that inside your computer programming folder, right? Am I right? Okay, so meaning in your computer programming folder, you have the web page. Okay, good. Now, in the computer programming folder, so okay, so let me save this one. Okay, right click. Okay, so you go to your Google Chrome now, then search for any pictures that you want, any picture in uh, in the internet. Yes, cartoon.jpg for example. Done. Yes, cartoon.jpg. Done. And then click images. Images. Done. And then here, right click this one. Right click. Then right click on the image in this part. Then save image as. Save image as. And then go to your computer programming folder here. And then you have to change the file name because that's too long. Okay, for example, cartoon.jpg. Ay, jpg. Okay. Yes. Yes. Desktop and computer programming. And then in your computer programming, you have. Mhm. Yes, you will save that in this directory. Put the file name cartoon.jpg and then file type JPEG. Uh, Ow. Okay, so let me repeat. Click the image. Okay, and then after clicking that, go here. Right click, then save image as. Save image as. Yeah, click the image. No. Right click. No, you will not. Do not click. Just right click. Right in your mouse. Right click, and then save image as. And then, is there any dialogue? Okay, good. And then go to your directory, computer programming. Done. Computer programming, and then the file name, change that. Kasi that's too long. Oh, cartoon, for example. That JPG. Ano? Remove JPG. Sorry, cartoon. Cartoon only. And then situate the type, save as type JPEG. Okay, and then click save. And then go to your directory, computer programming. Can you see the cartoon that JPEG? Go to your directory and then can you see your image or the image that you downloaded? No? Okay. It didn't come out. Can you click pictures? Can you click pictures in your computer unit? Click pictures. Can you see cartoon.jpg file? None. Okay, so let me repeat. In your desktop, you have your computer programming, right? Okay, and then yes. No, the web page and the picture should be in the same directory, same folder. Ah, yeah. Oh, wait. Okay. Yes. Can you open your folder? Yeah. Where's the picture? Where's the picture? Yeah, that you downloaded. Ah, okay. Okay, go. Yeah. Okay, so open your computer programming. MIS 01 computer programming. Open that. Okay, so go to your Google Chrome or yeah, Google Chrome. Yeah, browser. Open your browser. Where then search for the image or pictures. Okay, and then choose one. No, do not right click, just click. Yeah, click. No, 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 do not right click, just click. Okay, for example, that one, yeah. And then that one, right click and then save image as. And then in your desktop, locate the MIS, that one, then open. Yeah, double click or open, either way. Click open. Okay, good. And then file name. Yeah, change the file name. For example, cartoon. Okay, save. JPEG. Okay, click save. Okay, so go to your directory, folder, in your folder. So you can see there, okay, the the image or the picture should be, and then the web page should be in the same folder. So that's correct. Now go to your notepad. Open your notepad. Okay, so image source cartoon dot, is that JPEG? Is that PNG? I think that's JPG. No, go to your directory. MIS001 computer programming folder. Okay. Right click cartoon. Right click and then properties. Properties at the bottom. There. Okay, you can see the type of file. It says there JPG, right? Okay, JPG file. So go to your notepad. Open your notepad. Okay, so change cartoon.jpg because that is the type of the image. And then save. Okay, so go to your browser. Where's your... Okay, so anyway, go to your computer programming folder. And then open web page. Where's the image? Yes. Okay, so go to your notepad. Let me see your notepad. It's cartoon.jpg. Okay, so can you remove that one? Queen Izua. Then save. Okay, so go to your directory, computer programming folder. Right click, open with Google Chrome. There's no image. Why? Okay, so go to your direct computer programming folder. Computer programming folder. And then right click cartoon. Properties. It's JPG, cartoon.jpg. Okay, so go to your... That's correct, cartoon.jpg. Cartoon. Okay, so open your notepad. Yeah, that's correct. What happened? Font. Can you save it again? File save. Then open your browser. Open web page. Where's your picture? Okay, so let's try it again. Go to your to Google Google search there, and then search. Yeah. Can you choose another image? Other image. Okay, just click and then right click, save image as. So it should be in the same folder, desktop, and then computer programming. There, open. No, open first. Yeah, MIS 001, then open. Okay, open. Yeah, and then that's JPEG. So file name cat, CAT. Then file type JPEG. Okay, save. Okay, so go to your directory. Um, wait. Go to your directory. Then CAT. Right click the image cat. Properties. So that is JPG. Okay, so close and then open Notepad. Open Notepad. Okay, so can you change cartoon to cat CAT? And then file, click file, then save as. So go to desktop, then computer programming. No, open computer programming. There, and then uh no, it's that's correct. Save as type all. There, all files. Then save. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Then click save. Do you want to replace? Yes. Okay, and then go to your directory, computer programming folder, desktop, computer programming, and then right click web page. Open with Google Chrome. Okay, so I'll be back. I'll be back. Give me 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? I'll be back. Wait. let's continue. Okay, what's the problem? Why? Okay, so wait. Let me. Okay, so I have an alternative solution, another solution for that. So let me share my screen. Yeah. So, usap daw tayo. Nija. Okay. Wait. So in my first here, okay. In your image browser, right click. Okay. Can you wait, sorry. Okay, so just wait. Can you see my screen? No. Okay, so can you see my screen? Wait, it's lagging. Can you see my screen now? Yes, okay, good. Okay, in my browser, I search an image. So, for example, this one. Okay, can you see it? And then right click this one, and then copy image address. Okay, so let me repeat. Right click and copy image address. And then go to your notepad, and then you have to change this one. Then paste. Right click, then paste. Although it's too long, it's okay. Then file, save, then go to your um, directory, and then open web page. Open with Google Chrome. Where's my picture? Supposedly this will be the output. Wait. Copy image address. Then notepad. Save. Wait, let me open with Notepad. Then cartoon, copy image address, then paste it in here, paste, save, then refresh. Okay, so that's working. Okay, so this is the solution for that. So rather than saving your image, go to your here. So select any image that you want, and then right click, then copy image address. Okay, copy image address. No need to download. Copy image address, and then here, this one, I just paste it in here. Paste. So it's too long, it's okay. Then save, then refresh. Okay, there. Okay. Can you try it? Copy image address, then paste it in here, in this part, and then save. Yes. Yes. Work. Is it? Yeah, this one. It's open. You have to paste there. Yes. Yes. Is it working? Okay. Okay, so can you share your screen? Can you share your screen? Yes, yes. Can you open your notepad? Okay. Can you open your browser? Yeah. Yeah. And then go to cartoon.jpg. That one. Right click the image. Yes. And then copy image address. That. And then go to your notepad. And then there. Yeah. You have to change. Can you delete first? Double quote. No. Remove the less than. Okay, double quote. You put double quote. No, double quote. And then paste. Okay, and then save. File save. Save as, save as, save as. Then computer programming. Save as type. Okay, so desktop. Click desktop and then MIS computer programming. No, open the computer programming. And then save as type. No, that HTML. Yes. No. Webpage.html. .html. And then the save as type. Yeah, that one. Click all files. Save. Yes, replace. Okay, so go to your folder, computer programming folder. Okay. There. Right click, open with Google Chrome. Nothing happened. Why? Control F5. In your keyboard, yes, F5. Control F5. No, control function F5. Wait. F5. FN. Nothing happened. Yeah. Okay, open your notepad. Can you change the background color? Go to your notepad and then change the background color to white. Okay, save and then go to your browser. Go to your browser. Then refresh. Okay, can I see your notepad again? IMG. Okay. Okay. You have your IMG. Yes, IMG and then SRC. IMG. There, IMG, and then yeah, that's correct. And then SRC. C. Yeah, and then save. Then go to your browser. Yeah, Google Chrome. Yeah. Okay, so it's working. Good. Don't. So this is recorded, and then I'll be uploading this one, the video later on. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen? So today is week 5, web design. So for the week 5, I'll be giving you an assignment. Okay, so assignment activity. This activity is equivalent to 3. Okay, to 3 activities. Yes. Yeah, sorry. This activity is equivalent to 3 activities. Text format, color design, and then images. Okay. So this is the instruction. Is that Islam book? So you will create your own Islam book. Do you know what this Islam book is? Okay, so tell anything about yourself, or anything about what happened to you for this day, and etc. Yeah, for example, this one. So this is an example of a Islam book. So you will be creating a web page. Web page. We have an example of Islam book. There. So for example here, so this is an example of Islam book. Another example of Islam book. I think this is okay. I think this is okay. So you will be creating a sample. Uh, Okay, so create a Slambook web page, take a screenshot, then upload it here, and then you have to download, no, upload also your HTML file. So date will be Monday, then web design. As simple as Slambook. So you have to put some images. So for example here you can put some images. So you can put as many pictures or images as you want, and then you put some information about yourself. Okay? Yes. Yeah, it's okay. See, it's okay. Any question? Any question? Okay.